Hey everyone, whether you're a beginner or a pro, choosing the right software can make or break your coding experience. Today, we're counting down the 5 best software for coding that'll boost your productivity and make programming more enjoyable. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have Atom. Created by GitHub, Atom is a free, open-source text editor loved for its customization options. It supports multiple programming languages and has a cool feature called Teletype for real-time collaboration. Number 4, IntelliJ IDEA. For Java enthusiasts, IntelliJ IDEA is a dream come true. Its smart code completion and seamless integration with version control systems make it one of the best IDEs for Java development. At number 3, we have Eclipse, a robust IDE perfect for Java developers but versatile enough for other languages. Its powerful debugging tools and plugin ecosystem make it a strong contender. At number 2, Jupyter.org. This interactive coding environment is a favorite among data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts. With support for Python, R, and Julia, Jupyter Notebooks make it easy to visualize data and share your work seamlessly. And finally, the top spot goes to Visual Studio. This all-in-one IDE from Microsoft is ideal for large-scale projects. It supports various languages, has incredible debugging tools, and integrates seamlessly with Azure for cloud development. That's our list of the 5 best software for coding. Which one's your favorite? Or did we miss one you swear by? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. See you next time.